In this chapter, we're going to be taking a look at how to pour espresso using your Lavazza Blue capsule machine. But first, let's take a look at some of the basics. So let's take a look at how we set this up. Obviously, it's plumbed in, wired, and ready to go. So we have the power switch here on the left-hand side with two positions. Position 1 is a boiler fill position, so it will fill the boiler but doesn't turn on the heating element. Once the boiler is full, switch to position 2 to turn on the heating element in the boiler to bring it up to temperature. At that point, look down here to your dials. Now, the top dial is your boiler pressure, so starting at 0 and then slowly and steadily rising to about 1 bar, showing you that the boiler is up at temperature. The bottom dial here is your water pressure. This is currently showing your incoming water pressure, and then when you activate the espresso buttons, it activates the pump, bringing it up to an industry standard 9 bar to produce espresso. Now, of course, the main advantage of using the Lavazza capsule system is that both capsules, single and double, contain pre-dosed, pre-ground, pre-tamped portions of coffee. So this means you get optimum consistency as well as optimum freshness every single time. So let me show you how easy it is to pour espresso. We're going to remove our single portafilter. Select a single capsule, place that inside. Now, the capsule is pierced using spikes attached to the top of the brewing group here. Now, these spikes hang fractionally lower than the group head, so it is possible, if you're not careful, to actually clatter the portafilter into the spikes like this. Now, this over time will start to bend them and damage them, which means they won't be as effective in piercing the capsule. So you really want to be avoiding this. So remember to come in slightly lower, using your finger on the bottom of the handle like this for support. Press up to pierce the capsule before twisting round to the right to lock in place. We're going to select our espresso cup and press the single espresso button here. And as easy as that, we have our espresso.